Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin with two essentials: admin rights and saved work. Open Settings Now, Windows, press Windows plus I, Mac OS, open System Preferences. Once in Settings, navigate to Network and Internet or Network pane, then select Current Adapter. You will run the first commands and options here. Disable and enable adapter, and choose the Reset Network option if visible. Make sure to note your Wi-Fi SSID and password before proceeding, because you will disconnect briefly during the next steps. Now you perform the core actions. On Windows, open Command Prompt as admin, run ipconfig/release, then ipconfig/renew to reassign IPs. Next, use netch int IP reset and netch winsock reset to restore TCP/IP stack and socket settings. Restart after these commands. On Mac OS, use Network pane to remove and re-add interfaces, or run sudo killall HUPM DNS responder to refresh DNS. Once done, reconnect and verify IP and gateway are assigned correctly in network details. Finish by rebooting your PC and, importantly, the modem/router power cycle for 30 seconds. After restart, reconnect to Wi-Fi or plug Ethernet back in, enter credentials, and test browsing and pinging 8 to confirm reachability. If you still lack connectivity, update or roll back the network driver, verify cable integrity, and confirm the ISP isn't down. One key troubleshooting tip: if DNS fails, try switching to a public DNS like 8 temporarily to isolate DNS versus.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.